Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming like a little vlog type thing, and so yeah, I just want to show you guys my outfit first though. I'm wearing this like yellow turtleneck thing because it's kind of cold outside, and then I just have a pair of blue jeans on. So this is just what my outfit looks like all together, and then my hair is just curly for today, and then I'm deciding what to do with it because the top looks like really crazy because I slept on it. So yeah, but today I wanted to film like kind of a vlog type thing, but I'm not going to be doing like anything crazy. Hope you guys enjoy this. Alright guys, so we're in the car. I picked up Issa, and now she like wants to drive, so we're gonna let her drive around the block. Also, we just ate lunch. I wanted to film it, but Issa, being the party pooper that she is, still like, gross, no. We're gonna film her from down here. You guys don't want to see my Where's your seatbelt? On. Why is it? Okay. I'm glad I got. Dude, why are you so far back? She literally, I just don't want to show you guys my neighborhood, but she literally doesn't even make it to like the full thing. Issa!
Back here, we out here having fun, driving because we fresh like that, you know, we out here.
You guys don't want to know what Issa's, oh, sorry. What you guys don't want to know what Issa's driving is like, because it's horrendous and it's scary. Why are you so close to the curb?
You told me to get close to the curb on blind corner.
Not hit it.
I'm really just like, ah, today, you know?
No, I don't. Why are you braking?
Because it's another blind corner.
Guys, it was not a blind corner. This is literally a daily struggle. Issa begs me to drive my car around the block every day, and I always say no, but
that was a clean stop.
2 days in a row, I've let her.
Why doesn't your blinker turn on?
That's not my blinker, the one above it is. Okay, wait for this car. I might look like a burnt chicken nugget, but I still love myself.
We're going around again.
No, we're not.
Just one more time.
Issa, my gas already went down 10 miles from your driving.
Lauren, it's okay because you need vlog footage.
Oh! Ow! Issa, you're gonna hit the curb! You guys don't understand that we were literally on the opposite side of the street right now, and she almost hit the curb.
I didn't know.
Of the opposite side. Issa, tell the truth.
Lord, I swear to
Issa,
God.
this close. You guys, I'm not even being an overprotect. Issa, you're gonna hit that truck! Oh my God! She's literally watching me vlog instead of driving.
I'm just trying to be a good student.
You're not, because you're gonna hit my wheel on the curb. Oh, story time about that, guys. I was coming back from a city that I was in, and I literally hit like the deepest pothole I've ever seen in my entire life. Then as soon as I yelled the cuss word that I yelled, as soon as I hit it, I knew at that moment my tire was, you know what I'm saying? And so as soon as I said the cuss word and the choice of words that I did, my car started going bing, and there was my flat tire. So I pulled over to the side of the road, and then I kind of got myself to a gas station because my dad got me run flats, which means that they'll run like for a little bit while they're flat. But this one really just screwed up my whole tire. So it didn't even do that, but it did run like for like a little bit to get me to the gas station. Then I was at the gas station for 3 hours waiting for the nice tow truck to come and pick me up. Then I had to get in the car with this random dude that I've never met before. He was really nice, kind of a little bit older, and he just told me his whole life story and how his 2019 was really bad because he had like a baby mama,
there's another rainbow,
an ex-girlfriend, oh yeah, and a current girlfriend, and they were all psycho over him, and they all fought on New Year's Eve because they all wanted to be with him. So that's why you don't date or talk to multiple people at one time, people. I finally got to my dad's work, and I had to spend like an hour and a half there. But yeah, so that's what happened. Then I got a new tire, so that's why I'm really, really scared about hitting the curb, even though I'm always scared about hitting the curb. But Issa, scary driver. What are you gonna do? Oh shoot, we're going backwards, people. Oh my God. Oh my God. Like, what was the point of that?
Tell me last time. I kind of just went for it.
Oh my god. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Where are we? So we are at Target. It's not even focusing.
Oh,
there it
she
is.
like big one with big tip. It was Target Hall when we get in the car because Issa's in a hurry. My friend's being at my house at 6, and it's I'm not
5:50.
home.
Yeah, okay.
And our
We're
house
running.
is like
We're
12
running.
minutes away.
Yeah, okay.
We need a gift card.
Oh yeah.
Where's the gift card?
Going to Target with Issa. This is what it's like. This is my favorite section, the home section. Oh my god, we're walking so fast. Okay, bye.
The Colossal Big Shot mascara from Maybelline. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair, because I'm highly pale as you can tell. Maybelline Mega Plush Blue. Some Advil liquid gels. And then I got a hazelnut creamer, so.
My dog will probably do it for a Louis belt. That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else. I tried to show him. Yep. Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame, he in sicko mode. The tech, I got
Calling like I've been awakened. Everyone had to break it. It's the risk that I'm taking. Shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your rays. Maybe I can see your halo. What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, when it comes you didn't. What you say? Oh, that it's all for the best, because it is. For so long, only trying to please myself. Bye. Hey guys, so today's the next day, but I forgot to record an outro today or yesterday, so I'm just gonna record it right now. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Issa, would you like to say anything? Issa? Issa! Would you like to say anything?
What'd you say?
Would you like to say anything?
Sorry, I don't speak broke.
If I left, then it ain't no